Hello, what's up guys? I hope you guys good. And this is the Hilux 2016 model, and we upgrade the front kit, and the grill also changed, and the logo Toyota also changed, and also changed the front light. And also change the handle chrome and the sticker, also the windshield and the behind cap cover. Rim tire also changed. And the behind revelation sticker also. Behind kit camera. The cap cover is open. Also have inside the light. Backlight chrome also. Very good work, very clean work. I want to show you inside also. Inside I fixed the door seal and the seat leather also. And the steering I make a sport. Also fix the DVD. Also complete wooden. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel. And thank you guys watching my video. Bye for now.